Joining me for this CEO Spotlight is Ray Lewis, the CEO of Care Capital. Ray, thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you, Matt. Pleasure to be here.
Now, it was a little more than a year ago that Care Capital was spun off from Ventas. Has that transition gone as smoothly as you had hoped, and are you able to now capitalize on all the market opportunities that you saw when the decision was made?
So when we entered our first year, we had four basic priorities. First, we wanted to engage in value-enhancing acquisitions. Second was migrate to a permanent capital structure. And third was to manage the portfolio, and fourth was to build out our standalone infrastructure. And I'm happy to report now that we're 15 months out from the spinoff. In our first 15 months, we've invested a little over $300 million. We've now taken all of our $1.4 billion of floating rate debt at the spin, and we've fixed it long term with staggered maturities. We built out our standalone infrastructure, and we've made tremendous progress in managing our portfolio. So, we're exactly where we hoped we would be at this point.
Now, how are you finding the market currently for skilled nursing facility acquisitions, and has that impacted the rate at which the company can grow?
So the skilled nursing market is a terrific market for acquisitions. It's highly fragmented, it's ripe for consolidation. 75% of the 15,500 buildings are owned by operators who have 20 or less buildings. A number of the larger operators are now selling portfolios, and so the market is very active. We're finding tremendous amounts of opportunity to support our chosen operators in their growth.
Lastly, obviously have to talk about the election. It's on everyone's mind. As you look out at 2017 and beyond, what do you see sort of falling out of that as being the biggest driver for healthcare real estate, and how is that going to impact Care Capital?
Yeah, so the policy tailwinds that are great for our business long term remain intact post-election. A lot of the shift from volume-oriented reimbursement to value-oriented reimbursement was a bipartisan initiative, and so that'll continue to drive patients into the lowest cost settings, and there is no lower cost facility-based setting for care than skilled nursing. So we're very optimistic about what the future holds post-election.
Great. Ray, thank you so much for joining us.
Great. Thank you, Matt. It's a pleasure to be here.
For more from REITWorld 2016, be sure to visit REIT.com.